Hello everyone. In the previous video, we successfully created a user through Postman. So we have simulated a developer creating a user, performing a login to our EKS cluster. The EKS cluster will check with MongoDB and then get a response from MongoDB on whether the user successfully logged in or signed up or not. Now, what if we want to make changes to our code? For example, let's check. Suppose we put in some credentials here and try to log in. It will give an error message, failed to find and verify user for provided credentials. It is because this user doesn't exist in the database yet. We will change the code, for instance, to use Indonesian. So when we log in, it goes to, let's check, it goes to verify user. If we log in, it will go to verify user method. This verify user will return this message if user is not found. Let's try changing this into Indonesian. User is not found. So this process means there is a code change. And then we update that code to Docker. Since the change is in users API folder, then we will go to the users API folder and build it again. Let's check the name is Andre Jacksono / kube users microservice. Let's check the Docker. Yep, that's the name. Let's enter to build it. After a successful build, we will push it into Docker Hub. Docker push your Docker username and the name of the service. Let's check again. Kube users microservice. All right, it's been successfully pushed. Let's check in the Docker Hub. The last push was a few minutes ago. One minute ago, actually. And let's check in Postman. It's still the same because we haven't applied it into our Kubernetes cluster yet. Even though Docker Hub has been updated, it hasn't been pulled here. So let's check by kubectl get pods. Kubectl. Let's delete the pods. Actually, deleting just the user's pod would work, but we will delete all pods, sorry. They will automatically restart the pods. Check kubectl get pods again and see if it been restarted. And yes, they've restarted. Notice the pod names are different now. Let's try again in Postman. Click send. Yes, the change has been applied successfully. So that's how to handle changes in our code. But now the next is what if we want to update the tag? Previously, we used the latest tag. We use latest tag. If we want to use a different tag to push to Docker Hub, then the Kubernetes file needs also to be updated. And currently we are using version latest, you can see here. For example, if we want to change it to version 2.0 or 3.0 or 2.1 and everything, we need to update and reapply this file later. And we will continue in the next video.